Hi everybody, we're going to look more at subtraction with our number line. However, a different number is going to be missing today. But before we do that, let's have a quick recap at some of the ones we were doing yesterday. So have a go at 6 take away 3 using this number line and your fingers, or perhaps your grown-up can draw you a number line, or you can use the ones from yesterday. Pause the video and have a go. 6 take away 3. So I'm going to start at 6 and I'm going to jump 3 along. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Well done if you got that one right. I'm not quite sure what's happened with my jumps there, but it still took me to 3. Fantastic if you managed to get that one. Let's have a look at another one. Are you ready? 7 take away 7. Off you go. So I'm going to start at 7 and I'm going to jump along. Remember, I'm not going to count this number. I count my first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That takes me to 0. So I would write 0 there. Well done if you managed to get that right, guys. But today it's a little bit trickier because I've changed it round where the first number is missing. I wonder how we're going to work this out. Maybe pause the video and have a little chat with your grown-up. How do you think you're going to work that out? It is quite tricky, isn't it? I wonder what we're going to do. So, the whole is missing here, isn't it? So if the whole is missing, we know it's a bigger number. So because we know it's a bigger number, we're going to get to go up the number line to find the bigger number, which is where it is quite confusing. Because when we add, we normally go that way up the number line because we know the number gets bigger. And when we subtract, we normally go that way because we know it gets smaller. But today, we are going to go that way because we need to find out what the whole is for our equation. So I'm going to give you a bit of a clue. We're going to start at 2. What do you think the next step might be? Pause the video and have a chat with your grown-up. If I've started at 2, what am I going to do to find out that first number? I've got to jump 5, haven't I? Because if we look back here, it tells us that we did 5 jumps from this number, which would give us 2. So I've started at 2. We're going to jump 5, but we're not going to jump 5 that way. We've got to jump 5 the other way because remember, the number is the biggest number because it's the whole that is missing. And this is where it's quite confusing, isn't it? And I am sorry if you're all sat there really puzzled. It is very confusing today. But we will give it a go, won't we, Nottingham? So we'll start at 2. We're going to jump 5. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer going to be? What is that first number? Yeah, it's going to be 7, isn't it? Well done if you said that. And what we can do is we can use the method that we used yesterday to check our answer. So we could start at 7 and jump the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know it takes us to 2. So let's have a look at another one, see if you can have a go with this one. So start at 3, jump 3, but remember to come this way to find out what your whole is. Off you go. So if we start at 3 and we jump 3, 1, 2, 3, it takes us to 6. Well done if you managed to do that. Fantastic. And again, we can check by going the other way. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 take away 3 equals 3. Fantastic. Next one. Off you go. So I didn't tell you where to start and how many jumps that time. I wonder if you managed to do it. So we would start at 4 and we would jump 5 along. 3, 4, 5. That takes us to 9. Well done if you did that. And then I'm going to check my counting the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 9 take away 5 equals 4. I managed to get that one right. Fantastic, everybody. Right, let's have a look at this one. So, exactly the same. The first number's missing, and it's saying take away 5 equals 4. Off you go. I'm going to put my pen on so I can do it for you. Let's hope my pen works this time. So I'm going to start at 4 and I'm going to jump 5. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure what my pen is doing today. So that gives us 9. At least it wrote my number 9 correctly. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to have a go at this. It is a little bit tricky But I want to see if you can write your own question for a partner. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave that one blank. Then you're going to do take away. And then you're going to choose another number which is less than 5. And then equals. And then choose another number which is less than 5. Now your grown-ups might want to do one for you first. But then can you have a go at seeing if you can write one for your grown-up to then do? Don't forget to send all your work over on Tapestry. A little bit confusing today, guys, but sometimes we might get questions where we have the first number missing and we need to know how to work it out. I'm sure you've done brilliant. Take care, everybody.